Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best label maker for home organization. This is my list of the top products that can change your home organization game. So for the ultimate label making experience, go through all these devices to make the most suitable decision. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best label maker for home organization. Number 1. Dymo Label Manager 160 Label Maker for Home Organization. The Dymo Label Manager 160 is a fast, simple label maker that's easy to take with you. Quickly type text on the computer-style QWERTY keyboard, edit with one-touch fast formatting keys, print perfect. Enjoy extended battery life with automatic switch off. Plenty of different fonts and designs, so you can be more creative. This product is so easy to use, anyone can understand it. It works great and is very handy when I need to make labels. Number 2. Dymo Machine Plus 3 Tapes Label Maker for Home Organization. You might want to take a look at the Machine Plus 3 Tapes model from Dymo. It offers you a total of 95 symbols, 5 font sizes, 8 box and 7 print styles, including 2-line printings. You can print customized and noticeable labels with this machine. Thanks to ABC-styled keyboard, you can enjoy quick label making. LetraTag 100H from Dymo is battery-powered, for AA batteries, and can store a total of 9 labels in its internal memory. Number 3. Brother PTD 210 Label Maker for Home Organization. Brother PTD 210, one of the best label maker for small business. If you are looking for something with a brand image of its own, go with P-Touch PTD 210 from Brother. Easy access to templates and frames because of one-touch keys. Highlighted display texts reduce typing errors and label wasting. The device is portable, lightweighted, and comes with CCD 210, an optional storage case where you can store the printer. Number 4. Dymo Organizer Express Pro Label Maker for Home Organization. Dymo Organizer Express Pro Embossing Label Maker with 3 Dymo label tapes. You can call this the smallest label maker available in the market because it will fit in your hand just perfectly. The label generating operation of this machine is unique. 49 characters without any keyboard or button pressing hassle. The preloaded one is a wide embossing tape with a sizing of 12 feet by 3/8 inch and color of classy black. Number 5. Brother PTH 110 Label Maker for Home Organization. This PTH 110 tag maker by Brother P-Touch is one of the most promising devices. You will get multiple fonts, styles, and symbols, so you can make a unique sticker by following your creative prowess. Comes with extra strong adhesives to make the sticker durable. From home to industrial use, this label maker is perfect for any purpose. One of the most admirable qualities of these tags is that they come with extra strong adhesives to make them stickier.